Do I need to book the tour today? Welcome to Lingo Ladder. In this video, you'll hear a real English conversation between two people in El Nido, a beautiful island in the Philippines. Let's begin. Wow, this place looks like a dream.
Welcome to El Nido. First time here?
Yeah, I just got off the boat. The water is so clear.
That's what everyone says. It's crystal blue all year.
Are you from here?
Yes, I was born in Palawan. I work as a tour guide.
Oh, nice. I was actually looking for a guide.
You're in luck. I do boat tours every day.
There are so many islands. How do I choose?
We have 4 main tours, A, B, C, and D. Each one is different.
Which one is the best for beginners?
Tour A is perfect. You'll visit lagoons and quiet beaches.
Is that the one with the secret lagoon?
Yes, and also the big lagoon, that's my favorite.
Sounds amazing. Is snorkeling included?
Of course, we provide gear and life jackets.
That's great. I'm not the best swimmer.
Don't worry, the water is shallow and calm.
When do the tours start?
We leave at 9 a.m. and come back around 4 p.m.
That's a full day. Do we stop for lunch?
Yes, we prepare grilled fish, rice, fruits, and juice.
Filipino food?
Yep, you'll love it. Ever tried adobo or kinilaw?
I've heard of adobo, but not the other one.
Kinilaw is like ceviche, raw fish with vinegar and lime.
That sounds delicious.
You'll also see monkeys or sea turtles if we're lucky.
Really? I love turtles.
Me too. They're calm and peaceful, just like this place.
Is this the best season to visit?
Yes, January to May is dry season, sunny almost every day.
What about the rain?
From June to October, it rains more, but tours still run.
I feel lucky to be here in the dry season.
For sure. And El Nido isn't just beaches.
Oh? What else is here?
We have caves, waterfalls, and even zip lining in the mountains.
I didn't know that. I thought it was only islands.
Most people think that. But Palawan has many hidden gems.
How many islands are there?
Around 45 small islands just near El Nido.
That's a lot to explore.
That's why many people stay a whole week.
I only planned 3 days. Maybe I should stay longer.
You'll want to, trust me. El Nido steals hearts.
I can feel that already.
Where are you staying?
At a guest house near the beach.
That's perfect. Everything's within walking distance.
Do I need to book the tour today?
It's better. The best boats get reserved fast.
Can you help me book it?
Sure. I'll check availability and add your name.
Great! How much is it?
1,200 pesos per person, all included.
That's very reasonable.
And worth every peso.
Do you go with us on the boat?
Yes, I'll be your guide and your photographer if you want.
Awesome! awesome! I take a lot of photos.
The views here are perfect for Instagram.
I can't wait to see the lagoons.
Big Lagoon is peaceful, but Small Lagoon is more fun.
What's the difference?
Big Lagoon is wide and calm. Small Lagoon has narrow caves.
That sounds like an adventure.
It is. We use kayaks to enter the small spaces.
I've never been in a kayak.
You'll love it. We'll help you paddle.
Do many foreigners come here?
Yes, from all over the world, especially Canada, Korea, and Europe.
I see many smiling faces already.
That's the El Nido effect. It makes people happy.
Do you ever get tired of living here?
Never. I see beauty every day.
That's a good life.
Simple but full of peace.
That's what I came here for.
Then El Nido is the right place.
Do you think I'll want to come back?
Most people do. Some even move here.
Really? That's tempting.
The island life has a special charm.
I'm already feeling it.
You'll feel it more after the boat tour.
I'm so excited now.
Then tomorrow, we sail at 9.
I'll be ready. Swimsuit, camera, and big smile.
That's all you need. And maybe sunscreen.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're very welcome. It's my pleasure.
I already feel like I made a new friend.
In the Philippines, we treat visitors like family.
That's beautiful.
So, ready for your El Nido adventure?
Absolutely.
Then I'll see you at the pier in the morning.
Can't wait.
Welcome to paradise, Ella.
Ready for the quiz? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice.
1. What country is El Nido located in?
Correct answer is Philippines.
2. What is the name of the province where El Nido is located?
Correct answer is Palawan.
3. How many island tours are mentioned in El Nido?
Correct answer is 4.
4. What is the most popular tour for beginners?
Correct answer is Tour A.
5. What natural attractions are found in Tour A?
Correct answer is lagoons and beaches.
Say, what kind of animals might tourists see during the tour?
Correct answer is monkeys and sea turtles.
7. What months are part of the dry season in El Nido?
Correct answer is January to May.
8. What is the local dish called that is made of raw fish with vinegar and lime?
Correct answer is Kinilaw.
9. How many small islands are near El Nido?
correct answer is 45.
10. What transportation method is used to enter the small lagoon?
Correct answer is kayak.
Now it's your turn to speak. Share your answers below in the comments.
1. Have you ever visited a tropical island like El Nido? If yes, where? If not, would you like to? 2. Which place in the dialogue would you love to visit? Big Lagoon, Small Lagoon, or Secret Lagoon? Why? 3. What's your favorite English word or phrase from this conversation? Write it in a sentence below.
Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon.